Hello friends, welcome to the chapter 5 of Methods and Techniques for Business Data Analysis, that is commercial arithmetic. So today in commercial arithmetic we shall see about bill discounting. So bill discounting is one of the most important chapters where we look in banking and operations. So whenever we just assume what is bill discounting, it's all about like a big C. So just in a brief, we shall look about what is bill discounting and some of its problems, like how we are calculating a true discount and how we are calculating this overall discounting. So bill discounting is a discount or a fee where a bank takes from a seller to release the funds before the credit period ends. So this bill is then presented to the seller's customer and full amount is to be collected. So here bill discounting is just a discount or a fee what is being taken from a seller to release the funds. So whenever a funds has to be released from a bank, so they require something called a discount or a fee amount, so that is being taken by a bank. So this overall process what is being done, so this process is not so small. So this overall process what they are following is nothing but the bill discounting process which has been taken into consideration. So in this overall bill discounting they require something called a document, so which is been very much required. So there is something called true discount, face value, banker's discount and a banker's gain. So face value is all about the present worth of a sum of money plus the interest value. So banker's discount is all about, it is the simple interest on the face value of the bill. So banker's discount will always be greater than the true discount value. So banker's gain is all about the difference between the banker's discount and the true discount is called as banker's gain. Here there are some formulas where you have to by heart and you have to understand how it is being used in different problems. So here comes banker's discount. So if they tell you to calculate a banker discount, so a formula is ANR by 100. A is nothing but amount, N is nothing but number of years, R is nothing but rate of interest. So ANR by 100. So banker's gain formula is banker's discount minus true discount, that is BG is equal to BD minus TD. So true discount formula is sum minus present worth. So the final formula will be, this is the process of calculation, but if you remember this much it's enough. TD is equal to ANR divided by 100 plus NR. Amount, number of years, rate of interest divided by 100 plus NR. So for banker's discount there is just ANR by 100. For true discount it is ANR divided by 100 plus NR. So when it comes for calculation of sum, P is nothing but the present worth value plus true discount. So it is also called as A. A is equal to PW plus TD. So if true discount, if it is used in one concept, that is ANR by 100 plus NR. So if you have a present worth value, so then you have to use this true discount formula, that is true discount is equal to PNR divided by 100. If you have an amount value you should use this formula. If you have an present worth value you should go with this formula. So present worth formula is equal to 100A divided by 100 plus NR. So one more formula of banker's gain is A into N square into R square divided by 100 into 100 plus NR, and one more is BD into NR divided by 100 plus NR. So based on what has been given in the question, so if it is given according to this formula, so then you have to go with this formula of banker's gain. So if there is related to true discount and banker's discount, then you have to calculate both banker's discount and true discount, then you subtract, you will get banker's gain. So based on what information is given, so according to that you have to write a formula and then you have to substitute. So make sure you will learn all the formulas very correctly and in a very proper way. So here we shall look after some problems. So the first problem, find the present worth of rupees 560 due 8 years, hence at 5% per annum. So here you have to find out the present worth, that is the p value. So pw formula is 100a divided by 100 plus nr. So you have two formulas where in this case this formula feels sufficient. So 100 into you have a value, so that is 560 divided by 100 plus 8 into 5. So n is nothing but 8 years, r is rate of interest. So 8 into 5. So 100 into 560 will become 56,000. 8 5s are 40, 100 plus 40 will become 140. So 56,000 divided by 140 will be 400 rupees. This 400 rupees will be the present worth of that value. Your second problem, what is the sum due 3 months hence when its present worth at 4% per annum is 1225. So here you have to find out the sum. Sum is nothing but amount. A you have to find out. So hence when its present worth value they have given. So present worth value is 1225. Rate of percent is 4% and due time is n is equal to 3 months. That is 3 by 12. So it will become 1 by 4, or you can keep as 3 by 12 itself. So what's the formula for that? Pw into 1 plus nr by 100. So amount you don't know, you have to calculate. So present worth is 1225, 1 plus n value is 3 by 12, r value is 4 divided by 100. So first calculate here. 3 1s are 3 4s are, so 4 and 4 will get cancelled, so you will remain with 1. So 1 plus 1 by 100 here in the next step. So for 1 plus 1 by 100, take LCM as 100. 100 plus 1 divided by 100 into 1225. So if you calculate here, the next step will be 1225 into 101 divided by 100 will get you 1237 rupees. So for the value of 101,225 as a present worth, your overall amount will be 1237.25 rupees, or you can round off for a nearest value. Find the true discount on rupees 600 due 4 years, hence at 5% per annum. So here you have to find out the true discount. So this formula is enough. ANR divided by 100 plus NR. So A value is 600, N value is 4 and R is 5. So here also you do the same thing, 100 plus 4 into 5. So then multiply and add, you will get the answer as rupees 100. That's the true discount what you are getting. So here you have to find out the true discount, banker's discount and banker gain. So if you find out what is true discount and banker's discount, so then it's easy to find out the banker's gain, that will be BD minus TD. So here true discount value is ANR divided by 100 plus NR. Banker's discount will be ANR by 100. So what and all is been given, let us analyze. On rupees 600, so 600 is the amount value. Due 4 years, so 4 years is nothing but n, that is number of years, hence at 5% r will be 5%. None other information has been given, so you can easily calculate what has been given. So then go with the formula, finally find out what is the banker's gain, that is BD minus TD. You will get rupees 20. The next problem, in a bill rupees 10,900 due in 9 months. So this 10,900 is the amount value. This is number of years, that is 9 by 12. So you should find out the present worth or the present value, true discount, banker's discount and banker's gain. So everything you have to find out here. So for the present worth, you can go with the formula 100A divided by 100 plus NR. So this formula you can use to easily find out the value of the present worth. So then substitute the amount value, then in the place of n it's 9 by 12 into 5. So then you will get the final answer as 10,506. Once again for the true discount, go with the formula ANR divided by 100 plus NR, because you have all the available information of amount, number of years and rate of interest. Even for banker's discount, you can go with ANR divided by 100. So once you calculate all the present worth, true discount and banker's discount, you calculate with banker's gain. So banker's gain is all about, here easily you can calculate, that is banker's discount minus true discount. So you will get rupees 14.78, that's the banker's gain. The next problem, the difference between true and banker's discount on a bill. So difference between true and banker's discount, that is the BD minus TD. So according to formula, the difference is equal to 40. So this is how they are telling. So next, due after 6 months, n will be 6 months, that is 6 by 12, and our rate of percentage will be 8%. So here you calculated whatever is been required is rupees 40. Find TD, BD and face value of the bill. So 8% is rupees 40. So this rupees 40 is nothing but the banker's discount minus true discount value is rupees 40. So that is what you have written here. That is BD minus TD is equal to 40. So here you have to find out what is true discount and what is banker's discount. So once you calculate this, you can find out easily what is the face value of the bill. So true discount value, that is ANR divided by 100 plus NR. You substitute whatever is there. You don't have what is the amount value. So for amount value, just leave it as blank as A and then multiply. You will get 4A divided by 104. So 4 ones are 4, 426 are 104. So here you will be remaining with A divided by 26. Once again for banker's discount, go with the same formula, ANR divided by 100, A into 1 by 2 into 8. So here divided by 100, you will be remaining with 4A by 100. 4 ones are 4, 4 25 is 100. So 1A is A itself, A divided by 25. So here already they had given BD minus TD is 40. So banker's discount is A by 25, as you have already solved. True discount is 26. A divided by 26 is equal to 40. So now take the LCM. 25 into 26 will be the LCM. So here it will become 26A, here it will become 25A is equal to 40. So finally A divided by 650 is equal to 40. So cross multiply 650 into 40, you will get 26,000 as the final amount value, that is the face value of the bill. Next problem. Find banker's gain on a certain bill due 6 months, hence is rupees 40. The rate of interest being 20%, find the face value of the bill. So the first information what is being given, 20 is due 6 months. Due 6 months is number of months or the number of years, that is 6 by 12 you will write as 1 by 2, or you can take it as 6 by 2 itself. Rate of interest R is equal to 20%. Next, find BG on a certain bill due 6 months, hence is rupees 40. So this 40 is all about the banker's gain value. So BG will be 40 rupees. Next you have to find out what is the amount value. So to calculate this amount value, that is the face value of the bill has been asked. So you will find out what is A. So go with the formula, BG is equal to A in N square R square divided by 100 into 100 plus NR. Why? Because it is quite easy to calculate. So here you have what is the value of BG and you have value of N and R. So you don't have what is the value of A. So what they have done is they have cross multiplied BG into 100 into 100 plus NR. That is A N square R square is equal to BG into 100 into 100 plus NR. So then A is equal to, just because we have to calculate only amount, that is face value of the bill. So numerator will be same. So here denominator it will become N square R square. So for bill banker's gain, the value is 40, 100 according to the formula, 100 plus substitute in the place of n, 1 by 2 in the place of r, 20. So n square will become 1 by 2 the whole square, r square will become 20 square. So here calculate 40 into 100 into 110. So according to board mass method, whatever is there in brackets, that has to be calculated first and then it has to be multiplied. Divided by 1 by 4 into 400. Then it will become 40 into 100 into 110 divided by 100. So how 100 is? 4 ones are 4. 4 into 100 is 400. So 100 into 1 will be 100. That is 400 divided by 4 will become 100, so that is how we have written 100 in the denominator. So if you multiply and divide, you will get the face value as rupees 4400. So this is the face value of the bill. Next problem. A bill for rupees 4250 drawn on May 27 for 4 months. It was discounted on July 19th at 4% per annum. So you have to find out the banker's discount, true discount, banker's gain. How much the holder of the bill will receive the value. So you have an amount value. The amount value worth is 4250. The ratio is 4%. So here you have some information what you have to understand. So for every time whenever a bill discounting is done, so it will be having an starting value and an end value. So once if you are for the final value, whenever it is been discounting, a 3 days of grace period will be given for the final date. In the same way, the date drawn on the bill is May 27th. So what is the due date of the bill? How can you calculate, sir? It is been given for 4 months. The due date is been given for 4 months. So after May, calculate for 4 months. May, June, July, August, September. After May, calculate for 4 months. So that 4 months will be June, July, August, September. September will be the 4th month. So it was discounted on July 19 at 4% per annum. So this is the date of discount. But what is the due date? That is the final date. So May 27th is the date. So it will be June 27, July 27, August 27, September 27. So for 4 months, calculate according to the date. It will be September 27. So always there will be 3 days of grace period. So for 27 September, add 3 days, that is 28, 29th and 30th. September 30th is the date due of the bill. So always make sure whenever a date drawn is being given, so in the same way they will give the months. So that month is about the due date of the bill. So the due date of the bill will be September 30th. Within that, if you are discounting, then only it is called as bill discounting. So within the due date period of the time, if they are discounting, then it is called the discounting period. Every time there will be 3 days grace will be given. The date of discount is July 19th. So in between they have discounted. So for how many periods they have discounted the bill? So as of now they have discounted on July 19th. So from July 19th to September 30th, you have to calculate how many days, or you have to calculate totally how many months. First calculate for how many months, then calculate the days. It will be very easy. So from July 19th, so you take July, August and September. So these are the 3 months which will come into consideration. So now make sure you should be knowing which month is having how many days. So if you are knowing that, it will be very easy. So when you come for May, May is nothing but 31 days. If you come for June, June is about 30 days. If you come for July, so July will be having 31 days. So if July is having 31 days, so already 19 days got over. So after 19 days is been over, so just make sure 31 minus 19, so your remaining 12 days will be remaining. Once again in August, the whole 31 days will be there, and in September you have totally till 30th you have, so you have taken the whole 30 days. So from the date of discount, so you should find out what is the period of discounting. So from the date of discount till the due date of the bill, you have to calculate how many days. So in July 19th it has been started. So totally in July you have 31 days. 31 minus 19 will become 12. In August the whole full complete month, that is 31 days. In September the final date is 30th, so that final date has to be taken here, is equal to 73 days. So 73 divided by 365 will become 1 divided by 5. So this 1 divided by 5 will become number of years. N is equal to 1 by 5. So now you have got all the available information which is being required to calculate banker's discount, banker's gain, true discount and present worth value. So bankers discount formula ANR by 100. So you know the value of N is 1 by 5, so you have written 1 by 5, then R is 4, and you have denominator as 100, you will get 34. Once again for the true discount, so substitute whatever is there in the formula, so you will get 33.73. So then calculate bankers gain BD minus TD, so the bankers gain will be rupees 0.27. So here they are asking how much does the holder of the bill receive. So what is the value he is been receiving in rupees 4250 after discounting. So it's nothing but, if the amount value is 4250, the whole amount, after discounting he will be getting the present value, that is 4216 on. After discounting, this is the value what he is receiving. So how will you get to know is, use the formula present worth 100A divided by 100 plus NR. So this is what you will get the answer, that is the present worth value what the holder will be receiving. So this sum will give you a complete information on what is bill discounting in a very simpler manner. That is, you will be having a total amount, so it will be having a due date and start date. So once before, if you need any money in urgency, so you will go for a banker for a bill discounting. So banker will keep some part of the fee or a discount called as commission, so remaining amount will be given to you at a necessary time. So then you will calculate what is the period of discounting, so then you will calculate what is the banker's gain, discount and the true discount, and finally you will get the present worth of the value which you should be having. So this is the complete information what is bill discounting. So in large you will learn in banking operations. So this is a part of information what you will learn in MTBD, and you should be knowing how to calculate problems. So this is a practical implementation of bankers discounting. Good luck, happy learning, thank you.